Hey there, homeowners. Ever feel like your utility bills are a mystery? You open them up, see the numbers, and scratch your head. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can take control. It all starts with understanding your meters. Knowing how to read your water, hydro, and gas meters is like having a secret weapon. You become the detective of your own home, figuring out how much you're using and where you can save. Trust me, once you have this knowledge, you'll be able to manage your bills better and maybe even have some extra cash for something fun. We're going to break it down step by step, just like we do on the job site. No complicated jargon, just clear and simple instructions. By the end of this guide, you'll be a meter reading pro. So let's grab our tool belts and get started. Before we dive into the how-to, let's get familiar with the players on the field, your water, hydro, and gas meters. These meters are essential tools that help you understand and manage your household's utility consumption. Knowing how to read them can save you money and help you identify potential issues before they become costly problems. Each one looks different and tells a different story about your home's consumption. Understanding these differences is the first step in taking control of your utility usage. Let's break down each type of meter and what it tells you about your home. Water meters track your water usage. They measure the amount of water flowing into your home, giving you a clear picture of how much water you're using daily, weekly, and monthly. This information can be crucial for identifying leaks or areas where you can conserve water. They usually live outside in a box near the street or sidewalk. This location makes it easy for utility workers to access and read the meter without needing to enter your home. It's also a convenient spot for you to check your water usage regularly. You'll find them in two main styles: digital, which looks like a car's odometer, and dial, with a round face and numbers that spin. Digital meters are generally easier to read, but both types provide the same essential information. Hydro meters measure your electricity use. They track the amount of electrical energy consumed by your household appliances and devices. Monitoring your electricity usage can help you identify which appliances are the most energy hungry and where you might be able to cut back. They're often found on the exterior wall of your house, near where the power lines connect. This placement allows for easy access by utility workers and ensures that the meter can accurately measure the electricity entering your home. You'll see them in digital and analog versions. Digital meters provide a straightforward numerical readout, while analog meters have a series of dials that you need to read in sequence. Digital ones have a clear number display, while analog ones have a spinning disc and several dials. The spinning disc in an analog meter is a visual indicator of electricity usage, spinning faster as more electricity is consumed. Gas meters keep tabs on your natural gas consumption. They measure the volume of gas used by your household for heating, cooking, and other purposes. Keeping an eye on your gas usage can help you manage your energy bills and ensure your gas appliances are working efficiently. They're typically located outside, similar to water meters, and come in both digital and dial varieties. Digital gas meters offer a clear, easy-to-read display, while dial meters require you to read a series of dials to determine your usage. Now that you can spot these meters from a mile away, let's learn how to read them like a pro. Understanding how to read your utility meters is a valuable skill that can help you monitor your consumption, detect issues early, and make informed decisions about your energy and water use. So let's get started on this journey to becoming a utility meter expert. First up, let's tackle the water meter. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it looks. Digital water meters are the easiest to read. They have a clear digital display that shows your water usage in cubic meters or gallons. Simply jot down the numbers on the display. That's it. Dial water meters are a bit trickier, but we can handle it. Imagine a clock face. The pointers on the dials are like the hour and minute hands, but instead of time, they show you water usage. Start with the dial that reads 10,000. This is your main dial. Note the number the pointer has passed. If it's between two numbers, write down the lower number. Move to the 1000 dial, then the 100, and so on. Read each dial the same way. Write down all the numbers in order. This gives you your total water consumption reading. See? Not so bad. Now you're a water meter whiz. Section 4. Mastering your hydrometer, digital and analog. Next up, let's shed some light on your hydrometer. Understanding how to read your hydrometer is crucial for managing your electricity usage and keeping your energy bills in check. Whether you have a digital or an analog meter, knowing how to read it can help you monitor your consumption and identify any unusual spikes in usage. It's all about understanding those kilowatt hours, or kWh. Kilowatt hours are the standard unit of measurement for electricity usage. They represent the amount of energy you use over time. By keeping track of your kWh, you can better understand your energy consumption patterns and make more informed decisions about your usage. Digital hydrometers are straightforward. They have a clear digital display that shows your current usage in kWh. These meters are easy to read and often come with additional features like backlighting and buttons to scroll through different readings. Just like with the digital water meter, write down the numbers you see on the display. Easy peasy. Make sure to record the numbers accurately, as this will help you keep an accurate log of your electricity usage over time. Analog hydrometers are a little different. They have a more mechanical design with a series of dials that track your electricity usage. These meters can be a bit more challenging to read, but with a little practice, you'll get the hang of it. They have a spinning disc and 4 or 5 dials that track your electricity usage. The spinning disc is an indicator of how much electricity is being used at any given moment. The faster it spins, the more electricity you're consuming. Here's how to read them. First, locate the spinning disc. This disc is usually found in the center of the meter and is a key component in measuring your electricity usage. The faster it spins, the more electricity you're using. This can give you a quick visual indication of your current usage levels. Next, ignore the disc and focus on the dials. The dials are where you'll find the detailed information about your electricity consumption. They usually read 10,000, 1,100, 10, and 1 kWh. Each dial represents a different place value, similar to the digits in a large number. Start with the 10,000 kWh dial. This is the leftmost dial and represents the largest place value. Read the number the pointer has passed, using the lower number if it's between 2 digits. This can be a bit tricky, but with practice, you'll get better at it. Continue reading the other dials in order. Move from left to right, reading each dial and recording the numbers as you go. Write down each number you see. Make sure to record the numbers in the correct order, as this will ensure an accurate reading. Finally, combine the numbers to get your total kWh reading. Add up the numbers from each dial to get your total electricity usage. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice reading your hydrometer, the more confident you'll become. Keep an eye on your hydrometer and you'll become a pro at reading it in no time. Regularly checking your meter can help you stay on top of your electricity usage and avoid any surprises on your energy bill. By mastering the art of reading both digital and analog hydrometers, you'll be better equipped to manage your energy consumption and make more informed decisions about your electricity usage. So take the time to practice and familiarize yourself with your meter, and soon you'll be reading it like a pro. Section 5. Understanding your gas meter, digital and dial. In this section, we will delve into the intricacies of both digital and dial gas meters, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to read and interpret them accurately. Last but not least, let's conquer the gas meter. Whether you have a digital or a dial gas meter, knowing how to read it is crucial for monitoring your gas usage and managing your energy bills effectively. It's all about measuring those cubic feet or cubic meters of natural gas. Understanding these measurements can help you keep track of your consumption and identify any unusual spikes that might indicate a leak or an issue with your gas appliances. Digital gas meters are a breeze. They are designed to be user-friendly and provide a straightforward reading of your gas usage. They display your gas usage directly in cubic feet or meters. This makes it easy to see exactly how much gas you have used over a specific period. Just jot down the numbers and you're good to go. Keeping a regular log of your readings can help you track your usage patterns and make more informed decisions about your energy consumption. Dial gas meters are similar to the dial meters we've already covered. They might look a bit more complex, but once you understand how to read them, they are just as straightforward. They have a round face with several dials that track your gas usage. Each dial represents a different unit of measurement, and together they provide a complete picture of your gas consumption. Here's the breakdown. Each dial on the meter corresponds to a specific unit of measurement, such as 10,000, 1,000, 100, and 10 cubic feet or meters. First, identify the dials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the dials and the units they represent. They usually measure in units of 10,000, 1,000, 100, and 10 cubic feet or meters. This hierarchical structure allows for precise measurement of your gas usage. Start with the dial that reads 10,000. This is the highest unit of measurement and will give you the first part of your total reading. Read the number the pointer has passed, noting the lower number if it falls between two digits. This ensures that you are recording the most accurate reading possible. Move to the 1000 dial, then the 100, and so on. Each subsequent dial will add more detail to your total gas usage. Read each dial the same way. Consistency is key to ensuring that your readings are accurate and reliable. Combine the numbers to get your total gas consumption in cubic feet or meters. This final step will give you a clear picture of your overall gas usage. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of reading your gas meter. With this knowledge, you can take control of your energy consumption and make more informed decisions about your gas usage. You've now mastered the art of reading your gas meter. Whether you have a digital or dial meter, you can confidently monitor your gas usage and ensure that you are using energy efficiently. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature.